Alright guys, so on this Volkswagen Jetta, customer states that water getting inside of the car, so we are doing some check. So on the floor, water on the floor right here. This is water. So I'm going to show you how far the water leak. So you can see right here is wet. Water right there, so I go into the door post. And also when I look right here to the side, you can see the water coming down. So I'm going to show you what I do to diagnose the problem. So I get some water on the hose, I spray on top. That's what I find out where it's leaking. So it's leaking from the sunroof. So this is where it's leaking from, guys. Leaking around the seal, coming down in the car. That's where it's leaking, guys. Let me see if it's gonna run. Alright guys, so that's why you'll find a leak on your Jetta or any other car with sunroof. So the seal is go bad, so allow water to get inside the car, as you can see it on the seat right there. So if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.